perlu lain tayo miyo ni la marbat daran sa din nam tangan yo mi nang nay nagar tala badat penhaplot lepas lari lejong anti kedok kan sungi sempor man lek pai li oh copper baik copper mana udang single best ông mình ta lấy ta miệt bên em cũng đây là best là bak clear ada dari video kenaro tara 4K film HDR 10 plus ai be real ta HDR 10 plus xong giờ frame rate rồi lại từ cái đang ai be real quality the 4K mà FPS ban penuna penbon perlu kali deh TV gitu nyok drop nomor kali deh jerking ha dari kepada lot maklai jengnya rekomnya gitu dah kalau rekomnya Amstad deh sama sini sesar juga ada Amstad besar ya nama sekali labun tan kali deh nomor dari national highway lah plek lang berkali rit kali deh pet harus sekarang bon ang tam ni bicycle sa begitu naga speed sa bagian na surok-surok kagadagang Jarman. And thank you Agartala and Tripura. I'm back home. It's really enjoy visiting a place. If God's will, when I come back again here for someday. But for today it's enough. I didn't mean that I'm fed up. I really enjoyed, but definitely during summer I won't come here. It's really hot. I cannot bear with the temperature here because in my region it's a bit colder than this. I told you in another video that I came here that it's fully experienced, but in my region, at this one you need to bring a blanket, definitely. Here we are again. As you know, the place was nice, and, yeah, but it looks like here there are many Hindu. By the way, I respect all religion. As India was a democratic country, so there are many religions in it. Too much jerking, like I tell you. I don't know, maybe even my video was shaking. I try my best to make it stabilize using my hand. When we gotta watch some more, I'm gonna stop here. I'll continue in the same video in the next part. You are dari pendai kau saya kelas boleh. Kenyasang. Here is the best part. I really like the view here. I try my best to pronounce so make everyone understand, because actually I feel like I talk very nicely, but when I listen to my own voice, even me I cannot hear what I'm talking about. So try my best to make you understand. Okay, full break. Yeah, we cannot speed it up. Best view, right? Many trees are there. Best view. Okay. Hope you enjoy. So, in reality, this road is not much longer straight, but look what is shown in my phone using my camera. This look very strange. This morning I cannot get a chance to capture this one because I was talking to my friend. So now I can get a chance to show to you. This is the incomplete collection that I left since the Diwali was finished. I don't know, maybe my English was wrong in that previous sentence. This is how bicycle disturb us as you see just now in video. Okay, exit. Thank you for visit Diwali here. I know this place. Actually, I only know the state, but not the village name or city name or town name. I know what they call it. It looks like it's a suburban. Yo, Adon Enterprise. Hello दोस्तों, sorry माँ, मैं हिंदी I don't know, नहीं मालूम. लेकिन आपका जगह बहुत अच्छा है भाई. तो साली है रास्ता थोड़ा छोटा है. रास्ता थोड़ा छोटा है तो बड़ा व्हीकल नहीं होगा. तो